So the reason I clean my dishes before I put them into my dishwasher is because I only use it to sanitize it with its hot water and to dry them for me. I used to use products like Dawn, Cascade Pods, and Finish until I found out they add ingredients that are very unhealthy for my family. They all received D ratings by the Environmental Working Group in safety and toxicity, which made me look into them even more. Some people will say, well, it's only dangerous if you swallow it, or it's safe on ducks. I mean, the packaging on all of them does warn consumers to use caution if swallowed, to call the poison control, and may irritate or even burn human skin, especially the pods. Now, I'm not a rocket scientist, but I don't think that I really want to be washing my dishes with chemicals that have the potential to poison us or to burn our skin. The number of times that I had to rinse off dishes because of leftover soap in a glass or a bottle. If it was left to dry, I may not even have known it was there. I have switched to using the Puracy brand, which received an A for safety and is a non-toxic coconut-based cleanser. There are some safer options out there, you just have to look for them. The mainstream commercialized products look really pretty with their bright colors, adding cute little animals on their logos and saying things like saves water and less scrubbing time. But what is the real purpose of these dangerous chemicals being added? I would just rather wash my dishes with clean products and let the dishwasher sanitize and dry them for me.